Welcome to English Lovers Hub.
That's right. We're here to help you speak with confidence.
Wait, you know English, but when someone asks you a question, your mind goes completely blank?
Yes, I know words, I know grammar, but I just freeze.
Exactly, and it's not just you. Almost every English learner feels this.
Even when the topic is easy, like food, travel, or your weekend.
Don't worry. Today, we will give you a simple method to talk about any topic in English. Yes, any topic.
No memorizing, no stress. Just one clear structure you can use forever.
And if you want real, simple English practice like this, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for English Lovers Hub.
Ready? Let's begin. Toolbox, the universal framework, the 3C method.
We call it the 3C method. Clear, connect, continue.
3 C's. Easy to remember.
Step 1. Clear. Start with a simple, direct sentence.
Step 2. Connect. Add a reason, detail, or example.
Step 3. Continue. End with a feeling, a question, or a new idea.
So, clear, connect, continue. It works for any topic.
Exactly. Let's practice step by step.
Green. Step 1. Clear. Start simple.
Step 1. Be clear. One short sentence. No fancy words.
Like what?
If the topic is movies, you say, I like watching movies.
Oh, that's it? Just start.
Yes. If the topic is weather, you say, it's very hot today. If the topic is work, you say, my job is interesting.
So, I don't need a perfect opening, just a clear line.
Exactly. Repeat after us, slowly. I like watching movies. It's very hot today. My job is interesting.
Yellow. Step 2. Connect. Add reason or detail.
Step 2. Connect. Add one reason or one small detail. Use because, since, or for example.
Okay, let me try with movies. I like watching movies because they help me relax.
Perfect. Natural and clear. Now, weather. It's very hot today because there is no wind.
And work. My job is interesting because I meet new people every day.
Excellent. You see, you're already speaking in full, natural sentences.
Bold. I like watching movies because they help me relax. It's very hot today because there is no wind. My job is interesting because I meet new people every day. Blue. Step 3. Continue. Add feeling, example, or question.
So I can say how I feel? Yes. Example with movies. I like watching movies because they help me relax. Last weekend, I watched a comedy. I felt so happy. What about you? Do you prefer action or comedy?
Wow, that sounds like a real conversation, not a textbook.
Exactly. You don't need long stories. Just one extra sentence is enough to keep talking.
Bold. Last weekend, I watched a comedy. I felt so happy. What about you? Last week, I went to the beach. I felt tired but refreshed. How about your weekend? Topic swap practice. Now watch how the 3C method works for completely different topics.
Now watch how the 3C method works for completely different topics.
Topic 1. Learning English.
I enjoy learning English because it opens new opportunities. This month, I joined a speaking group. I feel more confident. Are you practicing daily?
Topic 2. Food.
I love cooking because it helps me be creative. Yesterday, I made pasta. It was delicious. Do you like cooking or ordering food?
Topic 3. Travel.
I want to visit Japan because I love the culture and food. Next year, I hope to go to Tokyo. I feel excited. Have you ever been to Asia? See? Same structure, new topic, easy English.
Stop. What to do when your mind goes blank? But Fark, what if I forget word? What if I panic?
Great question. Use natural pause phrases. They buy you time and sound very fluent.
Like what?
Listen and repeat. Let me think for a second. That's a good question. I haven't thought about that, but How can I explain this?
Bold. Let me think for a second. That's a good question. I haven't thought about that, but
Use these instead of silence or Your brain needs 3 seconds. These phrases give you exactly that.
quick fix. Common mistake. Fark, I often hear people say, I am agree with you. Is that correct?
Very common mistake. In English, we say I agree, not I am agree.
Oh, so agree is already a verb. We don't need am.
Exactly. Same with discuss. We say let's discuss this, not let's discuss about this.
Got it. Small fix, big difference. Headphones, guided practice. Your turn.
Now it's your turn. Pause this video if you need to. Speak out loud.
Question 1. What do you think about weekends?
Question 2. Do you prefer morning or night? Why?
Question 3. What is one thing you want to improve this month?
Use the 3C method. Clear, connect, continue. You've got this.
Repeat. Final recap.
Let's repeat the full structure one last time.
Bold. Clear sentence. Add reason or detail. Continue with feeling, example, or question.
Clear, connect, continue. Use it for work, hobbies, news, opinions, anything.
You see, talking in English is not about perfect grammar. It's about clear structure and practice.
Start small, speak daily. Mistakes are proof you're trying.
Now, your turn in the comments. Use the 3C method and tell us, what topic do you find hardest to talk about in English?
We will reply to as many as possible.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs it.
See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking. Bye.